the magic of designs or of the simple drawings. Look, let's go. Very easy, very simple. We're going to make a hand with a marker, or a medium-thick marker, not too much. And we're going to make the hand, but first we're making a illustration. We're not making a realistic painting. So we're going to play with the shapes. Simple, and let's play with the watercolor. And the color is already easy. The drawing is difficult. We'll start to give the shape of a bottle. With water, I already told you that in the watercolor, where you put the water up to there, is going to stain the watercolor to go out if you're on a horizontal surface. Flat, no, it doesn't move, no, so then I lift it. You see, so that it plays yes and yes run. So let's make 3 bottles of wine, one of these. It's white wine. Not how good it is white, but in the bottle looks green-yellow. Or does it have those shades? Right. So we keep wetting, look. Like a game, no. But on the right side there, I had already wet it, and I started to do the wine. Red wine, not the wine, which is red, blue, and because, well, you know, the bottles, they make it look very dark. There it seems like I went a little over the, but nothing happens. The trick is to keep playing. See how I wet it first. Shape of the bottle. The shapes you see are very simple. You don't have to look for the perfection. It's an illustration. It's the expression of painting and drawing. Let's forget about other issues for now. We're going to play with this. I'm going to do another. Red wine, not red. Blue, and I'm going to leave it like this. Basically, this is the exercise. It's very simple. Besides, I'm doing it in a sketchbook. It's not even watercolor. I put a sheet below so that if it happens I got stained, but I is working, and we're going to do the perimeter to give more extra plus to our drawing with a fine tip marker. Basically, this is the exercise. If you liked it, give it a like, comment on it, save it, so you can practice it. Send it to that friend who study arts or design for, who knows this technique of expressive watercolor. We write wine, and we put VC. That is Baja California. I mean, it came from Baja California, because I live in Baja California, so in the wine zone of Baja California. So wine BC, a beautiful, pretty, and simple illustration. Practice it and send it to me. Your drawing, your illustration, so, well, you know. A greeting to everyone, and you stay with this exercise to make sure they also realize that simple is beautiful. Right? We already saw this illustration, like this. Let's see how it is total and absolutely fill with water, and there now that I know we'll see how it turns out, but it's going to take time. A greeting. Painters and drawers,